With making iOS apps, there's a good chance you'll need different style of list. We already saw how to make a horizontal list. In this video, we'll make a vertical list in SwiftUI, expanding our toolset. Let's start by making a new file with Command N, SwiftUI view, next, vertical list view, create. Click on line 10, enter. We can define an array of titles to use for the list, var titles, :bracket title. We get an error because the preview needs a list of titles to use. Select the error, fix, pass title, .preview titles. Make a new line after titles. Delete the famous hello world. List, parentheses titles, parentheses bracket, title in. Inside the list braces, AsyncImage, URL, parentheses string, title, .poster path, question mark, quotes. We make a new list and pass our titles in. Then we show each title poster with AsyncImage by converting the poster path to a URL. Modifiers are needed on our AsyncImage. Right arrow twice, bracket image in, enter, right arrow, placeholder, progress view. This shows a progress circle as the image loads. If the poster path is nil, we pass an empty string that just keeps the progress view going. Go back in the AsyncImage brace, image, enter, .resizable, .scale to fit, .clip shape, .rect, corner radius, 10, .padding, 5. These modifiers allow the image to be resized to fit within the space given, make the corners round by a radius of 10, and add space around at 5 points. We want the title names to be next to the poster, therefore, right-click on Image, embed in HStack. Make some space after padding 5, text, parenthesis, title.name, question mark, title.title, parenthesis, question mark, quotes. A title can have a name or title property depending if it's a movie or TV show. We try both, and if they're nil, an empty string is passed. Let's add a couple of modifiers to the title. .font, .system, size 14, .bold. By putting our title inside the AsyncImage closure, it won't show unless the poster loads. Click after the placeholder brace, enter, .frame, height, 150. This keeps the list items no more than 150 points tall. Since no width is specified, each item takes up as much space needed horizontally. The list looks great. We can use it in our app, but only with sample data for now. Make a new file with Command N, SwiftUI view, next, upcoming, view, create. Delete hello world, vertical, list view, titles, title, .preview titles. This seems like overkill to just call this in our content view. In the future, there'll be logic here that can make our content view messy. Navigate to content view, delete text contents upcoming string, replace with upcoming view. Press Command R to run. Our app is up and running. Click on upcoming. Nice. We have our sample data showing as a vertical list. We still need to add navigation and, of course, real API data. This is the first time we work on another tab in the app, so great job. We're done here. Thank you for watching.